Alright, here's the Axial AX10 Deadbolt that I built. I bought the frame and the running gear off of eBay. I won these tires in an auction on eBay. These are the BF Goodrich crawlers on the trail ready beadlock wheels. They came off the Poison Spyder Wraith. And, down in here we have the 20 turn RC 4-wheel drive crawler motor. Another cheap ESC that I bought off eBay. The one in my Cloudbuster worked good, so I bought another one. We have a Hobby King high torque Metal Gear waterproof servo. I also tore apart the axles in the transmission and put marine grease in them to try and keep the water out. Got a Parma 67 Ford pickup body for it. Painted it flat green, but the clear Lexan body makes it look like a clear coat. It's pretty shiny for a flat green, but I like the way it looks. I had fun building this truck, but I decided I'd put it on eBay and see if I could make some money off of it. So, search AX10 Deadbolt on eBay and maybe you'll see it for sale. Thank you.